Hey guys, hope you're well. And yeah, so today we're going to look at a module called language detect. And so what this does is it will detect foreign text and tell you what language it is. Okay, so if you haven't got it installed, all you need to do is go into terminal, so pip3, then install lang detect. Yeah, that's assuming that you're using Python 3. Okay. Okay, cool. So let's get started. Once it's installed, so type in import, then lang detect as LD. Okay, right. So I've got some words that I need to detect. So type in text, then equals input, then enter words or text to be translated. Sorry, to be detected, not translated. Yeah, so it's gonna be detected, not translated. It won't translate. Okay, so an easy word. So bonjour, then ld.detect text. Yeah, there we are. So it's French. Okay, cool. And then I'll do something else again. So word, then equal. So input. Actually, make my life easier. Let me just copy that. Command copy, and then paste. So Hakuna Matata. Okay, which means there's no worries. So ld.detect the words. There we are, Swahili. Okay, cool. And then I'll do the same as well. Command copy, right? And yeah, Buenos tardes, mi amigo. And yeah, so there we are. So then ld.detect. Espanol. Okay, and then yeah, let me just do the final one. So a word and then equal. Command copy and then paste it. Off, yeah, and then ld.detect word. So it's German, Deutsch, whatever, Deutsch, German. Okay, cool. So yeah, so it's just a very simple basic language detection module. So yeah, hopefully you guys find it helpful. And yeah, thanks for watching, and please do subscribe. So please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and goodbye. All right, thanks guys. Yeah, thanks for watching.